so today I'm doing Diwali PR unboxing. I'm super excited because काफी चीजें मैंने literally open नहीं की है, मैं यहीं पे करने वाली हूँ. So I'm very excited. So let's go. And in case you guys want to know कि मैंने ये curls कैसे किए हैं and how I created this makeup look, so that is coming up tomorrow. Stay tuned. Okay, first thing I've got these sweetest things from Uma aunty and उन्होंने ना मुझे इतना प्यारा एक लेटर भी लिखकर भेजा है which is so sweet. First of all, happy Diwali and thank you so much. आपने जो भी मुझे भेजा है ना मुझे इतना प्यारा लगा. Let me show you guys. She's doing such an amazing job and I'm so happy. Look at this book. This says grateful for yesterday, for tomorrow, for today, and this is so pretty. The quality is really nice. Then I have few stickers. Okay, so इस पे है ना सब friends वाले stickers है. Let me just quickly show you. Let me open. Okay, these are so cute. Again, the quality बहुत अच्छी है. आप अपने लैपटॉप पे भी लगा सकते हैं. अपनी बुक्स में लगा सकते हैं. बहुत सुंदर दिखेगा. So there's burger and there's a lot of them like Central Park and I'm going to tag her right here. तो आप उनके पेज पे जाकर सारे स्टिकर्स देख सकते हैं. She has sent me so many more. They are so cute. और फिर है ना उसमें you have these bookmarks and really sweet. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा that she actually wrote a letter and this is so cute. Thank you so much. उनकी स्टोर का नाम है Lemon Bubble Store. Definitely check. Quality बहुत अच्छी है and you guys are going to love it. Now next up I have these masks from this brand and okay, so embedded nose pin, 5-layer protection, 99 particle filtration, comfortable and breathable without the respirator. इसमें 10 mask हैं, N95 and N99 reusable protective mask. I am super excited to use these. Okay, और उनकी पैकेजिंग देखो इतनी अच्छी आई ना. इसके अंदर से प्रॉपर पैक्ड है मास्क एंड सैनिटाइज योर हैंड्स, रिमूव द मास्क फ्रॉम पैकेजिंग, place the loop behind your ears and adjust it. Very nice. I am so happy that I've got this. Very nice. So actually I got 2 boxes of this. Very useful. Thank you so much for sending. With this they also send me one more which basically is this one, filter viruses, bacteria and air pollution. Okay, let me just open and see. One second now. Okay, so this is how I was saying it is of a very good quality. ये काफी अच्छा है. यहाँ पे ना इसे पिन दिया है so you can adjust. नहीं तो कभी लूज हो जाता है, it comes down ना. So very good quality. I am so happy with this and super excited to use these. Thank you so much. These are super helpful. Okay, I forgot to show you guys, but the Lemon Bubble auntie also sent me this cup, this mug which says you are capable of doing amazing things. Thank you so much and this is so nice. I'm going to keep this in my office and have my green tea because मैं चाय कॉफी तो पीती नहीं हूँ. Okay, we have some clothes now. Next up I have something from this brand called Rangtara and they have sent me this cute peplum kurti top. This looks so adorable. आप ऐसे डेली बेसिस पे भी इसको पहन सकते हैं. इसके नीचे you wear a nice white color slip और इतना cute लगेगा. Now I have something from my favorite brand Acho. Oh my god, these people really know how to spoil you. They have sent me so many things. I'm excited. Okay, so first of all there's a card. Thank you for being our inspiration खाने के लिए. Thank you so much. I'm excited. ये बहुत yummy लग रही है. Okay, now they have their footwear collection also. So they have sent me there's juttis which are so pretty. And of course Jaipur se hai, so it's going to be really nice. I love the notebook. This is so cute. Next up I have few earrings. Okay, I'm going to tag that brand also जिनके साथ उन्होंने earrings भेजे हैं. Okay, so these are these beautiful earrings. Thank you so much. And there is one more here which looks so pretty. Oh my god, these are so pretty guys. Very pretty. Look at this. Oh my god, so pretty. Okay, we have some outfits also. I'm excited for that. Yeah. Okay, so first we have this red color outfit which I'm going to wear super soon. In case जब तक आप ये देख रहे हो कि मैंने पहन लिया होगा तो I'll post the picture. This looks so pretty. It's an अंगरखा basically and इस पे गोटापत्ती work हुआ है and the best part is the dupatta. Look at this. This is so pretty. I absolutely loved it and can't wait to wear it. Oh my god, I see something really amazing, but these stories are ending, so let me just record again. Okay, now we have this white color suit, and I'm excited. I'm excited to wear this because I have already planned a Diwali outfit. If that doesn't come on time, then this is going to be my Diwali outfit. And look at this. This looks so beautiful. It's like anarkali hai, white color ka, which has got the silk feel and got this beautiful organza dupatta. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. Look at the print. Very pretty. And iske saath, I think we have these pants. Looks really nice. Thank you, Acho, for sending. I absolutely love you guys. That was not all. There's something more. Okay, I've got this plain black color suit again from Acho, and this is basically a plain black anarkali. And what I love about such outfits now, you can just change the dupattas and it becomes a new outfit. Or iske saath hai ye dupatta again, so pretty, and these black pants. Thank you, Acho, for sending. Yay! And I got so excited. Okay, these are the lights. So pretty. Okay, then there's a card which I have to open. Okay, that's how it opens. This stamp kitni cute hai. I'm going to show you really cute stuff. You guys will be like, oh my god, how many chahiye? Okay, let me just open this. Okay. Basically, this is from this brand called The Right Stuff, and they have sent such adorable stuff. Oh my god. So it says, thank you. Such a beautiful card. मुझे ऐसे handwritten notes बहुत पसंद है. Thank you so much for the goodies. Okay, now I have carry on. Okay. I just love such stuff. Oh my god, such a cute zipper. Actually, आप इसको आराम से अपने बैग में भी रख सकते हैं. This is so cute. Okay, next up. Have some more. We have this where you keep. Okay, so this is how it looks. So nice and so productive. काफी चीज़ों में इसे use कर सकते हैं. They've sent me this pretty notebook and there are some beautiful cute pens. Oh my god! And then what is this? This is a Fevistick. Okay, this is so pretty. Look at this. Oh my god, so cute. Key ring. I'm going to use this one for my office keys now. This is so adorable, really cute. There's not a pen which got a little ice cream on it. Guys, you have to check out their page. They have some really nice stuff. Okay, so she sent me one more thing. 1 second. Okay, so this is the mug. Oh my god, this is the unicorn mug. This is so cute. Yeah, thank you so much. इसके साथ spoon भी है. So cute. Thank you so much. I literally loved everything. Thank you. Something really special from Komal D, and this is very sweet. Okay, so I have got this pretty diya which is reusable, and then I have this. So basically ये positivity के लिए होता है, and this is so pretty, guys. I'm going to keep this in my office. Thank you so much, Komal D, for sending all this, and thank you so much for being part in my growth. I love you so much. I'm going to tag her right here. You can go and check out her page. She's amazing. Lots of crystal healing powers to you. Thank you so much, and I love you. I have something from Loopy Safe, and जो लोग sanitizer mask और ये सब भेजते हैं ना, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है because that's all we need. So this is basically their Diwali PR box, and they've sent me some candle, and then we have a huge message. Thank you so much. जहाँ पे भी ना messages में मेरे से personal वो लिखे होते हैं ना names, वो मैं हमेशा संभाल के रखती हूँ. So thank you. I have few masks. Yay! Then I have big, enriched with vitamin E. So basically big sizes of these vibes, and thank you so much. This is the best Diwali gift ever because that's all we need right now. Okay, next up I have from the Natural Wash. They have sent me few of their products. Let me just quickly show you. You guys want to check out their brand, you can definitely. There's rose water, there's oat and meal soap, which is going to minimize your pores. This is a lip lightening scrub. So if you have like dark lips, it's going to help you with that. This is a nice herbal lip balm. Then I have avocado body moisture lotion. Okay, and then we have a face wash. Okay, so this is this face wash, and then we have black seed hair serum. Okay, I'm excited to use this. Then I have here the Natural Wash. Okay, this is actually hydrating and soothing gel, and इसमें pure aloe vera है. Nice. And next up we have is Oat Cleanse Satin Soft Polishing Scrub. I'm excited to use their products, and you guys know my love for sheet mask, and I've got this in my PR box. So basically these are for firming, and this is your peeling exfoliating foot mask. I have used this before, trust me. मैंने ना lockdown के time पे, because I was not able to get my pedicure on, I love this one. And this is the hand hydration glove mask. Oh my god, I'm super excited to try it. Thank you so much for sending. Okay, next up I have this cute green colored top, which looks so cute and so nice. I'm excited to wear this. Thank you Nidhi for sending, and I absolutely love it. So basically this is a transparent mask. तो अगर आपका मेकअप और लिपस्टिक है ना, वो इतना क्लियरली इसमें दिखेगा. So this is so nice. I'm definitely going to use this one. And then I have this really cute fancy one. Oh, इसमें मेरे initials भी हैं. So this is this baby pink color one. I have to see which brand this is from. So this is how it looks. और इसमें है ना, यहाँ पे वायर भी है, so you can tighten up. So this is from this brand called Love and Florence by Shin, and thank you so much. Thank you. I absolutely love these. Thank you so much. So much for sending me all these products. I would love to try them. In case आपको किसी चीज का भी review चाहिए, please let me know in my DMs, and we'll definitely do it for you guys. Okay, now few more to go. Just few more.